Saute it real good. Everyone, this is Jason Phillip with Backyard Cooking and Entertainments. Today I'm making you guys vegetable omelette. Before we get started, thank you for subscribing to my channel, liking my channel, and sharing and commenting. Make sure you click that notification button so you get the videos right away. This is only the first series of my omelet, but I'm making you more omelet later on my next videos. Stay tuned for that. Let's make vegetable omelet today.
Right, ingredients to make this veggie egg omelet: 4 eggs, mozzarella cheese. You can also use cheddar cheese, some broccoli, bell peppers, onions, tomatoes, carrots, mushroom, spinach, and I got black pepper and a special Himalayan salt. Got herbs, paprika, there's a garlic herbs, and some unsalted butter. Cut all these vegetables into small pieces. Doesn't matter how you cut it. Just make them into small pieces. Alright, cutting party is over. Looking good. Crack 4 eggs and drop it in the bowl. Before I whisk, I put some salt and some pepper and whisk it real well, like nice even for a nice even consistency. One tablespoon of butter to cook the eggs. I cook these vegetables together except the spinach. Spinach doesn't need much time to cook. Alright, time to add the spinach. I usually put a little water on top of the spinach. It'll get you a little moist and juicier egg.
This baby cook, man.
Time to add the herbs and a little paprika.
A little bit paprika.
Alright, time to add some salt and pepper.
Alright. Take this and take it out.
Use 1 tablespoon to cook rest of the veggie omelette. Put the mozzarella cheese on the top. Make sure it's cooked well. Put the veggies on top.
And
Fold it carefully.
this is well done egg omelet. And this is 4 egg omelet like that.
Let's taste it.
I like using a little bit Tabasco on my hot sauce on my egg omelet. You don't have to if you don't want to. So I'm gonna take a bite, man. I can't wait to try it. So simple to make. You cut it a little bit. Oh my God, it's so juicy already. I can see it. I'm gonna take a good piece out of this. All right, I'm gonna take it back. Wow, that's vegetable and egg omelet for you. It's so good, so tasty. You should try it. Thank you for watching Backyard Cooking and Entertainments. Till next video, take care.